Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you two best app stores for every Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So as we all know that if you're using any Linux operating system on your computer, then you will definitely get an app store. Like, let me show you. We'll get an app store already that comes preloaded in every different Linux distros. So you might be wondering why I'm saying two best app stores, right? So still in the respective inbuilt app stores, you won't get all the required apps that you want to use. So for this we need to rely on the third-party app stores. So here I will be providing you the two best app stores for every Linux computers. So on the first list we have the Snapcrop. So firstly, just open any web browser and just search this name as Snapcrop on the Google search, and on the first list you can see its official websites. So just click on it. Now you can see its official website. So first, before proceeding further, let me talk about how to install this Snapcrop application. So for this we need to do a setup. So for this you can get instructions how to install this Snapcrop on your respective Linux computer. So just scroll down below, and here you can see Snaps works across. So you can see a different Linux distros icons, right? You can see all the supported distributions. If your Linux distro is not shown, you can just check out all the list. So here you can see all the lists that are available. So right now I'm using Ubuntu. So I'll just select Ubuntu. As you can see here, Ubuntu. I'll just click on Ubuntu. Now you can see installing Snap on Ubuntu. So it will show you the instructions. So you can see here you can use a terminal. So terminal is exactly the same like the command prompt that you may have heard in your, or you may have seen in your Windows computer. So to open the terminal you need to press the Ctrl Alt T to open the terminal, and in the terminal you need to type this command one by one. Just sudo app update, and after typing sudo app update just hit enter. Wait for a few seconds until the processing gets complete. After that you need to type sudo app install snapd. So after that it will get installed. So this is all about the setup or installing the Snapcrop on your respective Linux computer. So after setting up or installing the Snapcrop, let's move back to the website. So now you can see a tons of applications, right? So selecting here, we'll just select the options here, store. So we'll go to the Snapcrop App Store. Now here you will see a tons of application categorized on different categories like social, productivity, utilities, so and so. So if you like searching one by one, you can search, or if you want to directly search for the application, say I want to search for the application name as SportTP. So after typing SportTP, I'll just click on search. So it will show me the available or match results. So here is a SportTP. So let's click on it. So this SportTP is official SportTP applications. So it's not a third-party applications, it's an official one. As you can see, it's from the SportTP official itself. So you can see here on the right side, installed, right? So when you click on install, it will show you instructions how to install. So like before, just open the terminal by pressing the Ctrl Alt T, and after that you need to copy or type this same, exactly the same written, what is written here, sudo snap install SportTP. Just type this command and your SportTP application will get installed on your respective Linux computer. So these are all about how to install apps of Snapcrop. So the installation you have learned. Now a question may arise, how to find list of installed apps from Snapcrop. So how to find a list of installed Snapcrop apps that are available on your Linux computer. So for this, just open the terminal by pressing the Ctrl-Alt-T, and in the terminal you need to type snap space list. Just type this command and hit enter, then it will display all the Snapcrop applications that you have installed on your respective Linux computer. And what about how to uninstall or remove the Snapcrop application? So to remove or uninstall, you need to type snap space, type remove, and type the application name. Say I want to remove the application SportTP, so you need to type the name SportTP, and after that you need to hit enter. So this is all about the Snapcrop. So if you find any confusions regarding the Snapcrop, about the setup, apps installations, finding the list of installed apps from Snapcrop, and checking for and to uninstall apps, and last I want to show one more thing here. If you want to search for updates of the Snapcrop applications, then you need to type snap refresh. Just type this command. So you need to type snap refresh. So after typing this command, just hit enter, and it will check for any updates available for the Snapcrop application. So you can see all snaps are up to date. So using this command snap refresh, you can check for the Snapcrop application updates. So this is all about Snapcrop. So let's jump to the second App Store. So on the second list we have the Flatback. So for this, just open the web browser, and in the Google search, just search the name Flatback. Just search this name, and you will see its official website on the first list. So just click on it. So you can see its official website. So when you scroll down below, you can see here some instructions, and you can see already set up. Head over to Flatback to install some apps. So like before, here also you need to install the Flatback application firstly to use its App Store. So if you have not already installed this Flatback, then you can just click on Get Setup, how to install this Flatback up. So you can see tons of Linux distros. So right now I'm using Ubuntu, so I'll just select Ubuntu, and it will show me how to install this Flatback App Store. So here's step-by-step instruction is given. So firstly you need to type this command, or you can just copy and paste it on your terminal. So just paste it and or type it and hit enter. After that you need to type the second instruction, as you can see this one, and after completing this again you need to type this, and lastly in the fourth step you need to restart your computer to complete its installation. So after that, what you need to do, you can see here it's App Store, name is Flatback. Just click on it to visit the Flatback App Store, which is named as flatback.org. Now here you will see like the Snapcrop, tons of applications that are available in this App Store. So let's search here some applications like Firefox. So here you can see a Firefox applications. So you can see I installed, right? So we'll not click on install, we'll just try to scroll down below, and here are some instructions. As you can see how to install this, just open the terminal and just copy or paste or type this exactly the same command, and after that your Firefox application will get installed. So this is all about how to install apps of Flatback store. So now a question arises exactly the same, how you can find the list of installed apps from Flatback. So what you need to do, just open the terminal again. In the terminal you need to type Flatback space list. Just type this command to find the list of installed apps from Flatback and just hit enter. So right now I don't have any Flatback application installed in my Linux computer, so it's not showing anything. So the second question arises now, how to uninstall any Flatback applications. So for this, what you need to type, just type Flatback space uninstall space. Now you need to type the same command as you can see, this one. You need to type this command. Say I want to uninstall a Firefox, that is a Mozilla Firefox. So I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it here. So you can see you need to type this command Flatback uninstall, and the applications ID, it's called application ID org.mozilla.firefox. so it may be different for different applications, so you can check out what its application ID. So now the last question arises, how to check for Flatback application updates. So for this you need to type Flatback space type update, and after that hit enter. So looking for updates, nothing to do, so I don't have any updates available right now. So these are the process and most commonly used commands that will be needed for you to while using a Snapcrop or Flatback app stores. So if you never known about these two best app stores for any Linux computer, then you should definitely try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this video tutorial, then feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problem. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.